Have you ever thought about making money from Google Translate? With this site, you can currently earn a profitable income with the help of Google Translate and ChatGPT and reach an income of $500 per day. If we go a little lower, we will see that these people have this income from this site every hour. For example, Hero CO earns $94 per hour and Simon earns $56 per hour. Before we go to see the training of earning from this site, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and if you are interested in earning online, you must watch the playlist of earning online in our channel. Let's start. Well, first open the PeoplePerHour site. Click on the freelancer option. In the opened page between these two options, select the option I want to work as a freelancer. You can register with the two methods mentioned here. The first one is done by Facebook and the second option is done by your Google email. I am putting the registration option by email here. With this option, you will be asked to type your name and email and set a password for your account. Then click on the registration option. Wait for this page to open and tell you that he has sent you an email to verify your account. Well, then we have to go to our Gmail account and verify the account so that we can continue the registration process. After verifying your account, you must fill this form, how many dollars you want to receive per hour of work. I write $30 and finally click on this option. In this opened page, we choose the second option, which is free. We click on proceed. Well, our account was created. Now we go to the writing and translation section and click on the translation option. On this page, you can see that there are many things to do, and after doing that, the money will be deposited into your account, and at the end of every month, you can transfer your entire income to your PayPal account and enjoy. Here you can see that there is a very easy job with a good income that asked us to translate an article from German to English. Well, you can accept it and do it with Google Translate and get your money. Well, if you like this video and are looking for such videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. Finally, leave a comment whether you want to start this job or not and how many dollars do you think you can earn daily with this site. I hope you are well and your pockets are full of money.